Alright, what's up, guys? It is day 24, the last day of opening up the Topps 2025 Advent Calendar. So let's see what we can get on day 24. And if you guys enjoyed the series, make sure to hit that subscribe button and subscribe to my YouTube channel. And hit that like button for this video. So, for the last day, it is going to be a Topps 1991 pack of cards. There's 15 cards in here, and there's even a stick of gum in here too. So let's see what we can get out of that. There's the gum. Alright. 15 cards. Let's see which way. Alright, I'll just flip it this way. Or not. What the heck? Oh, it's just mistakes. Okay. So we're going to start the pack off with the Steve Lyons for the White Sox. Scott Garrett, something. I don't really know most of these players, but Randy Myers, Charles Nagy, Brian Downing, Mike Felder, Dwight Evans, Rodney McRae, Wally Joyner. Yeah, I don't really know all these people. The last card is going to be a Greg Gidart. So that's pretty cool. Oh, you can see the gum mark on this card. Alright, thank you guys so much for watching this series. I hope you guys all enjoyed it. And once again, make sure to hit that subscribe button and subscribe to my YouTube channel to see more videos like this of me opening up boxes of cards. So I will see you guys all in the next video.